how to play songs on Telegram voice chat. So if you want to play songs on your Telegram voice chat, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. So go with the top left, which has that 3-bar icon, and then tap on new group, and then you need to search for VCS music bot, and you will have the VCS music bot, right? So you just need to simply tap on the bot, and after that go with tick, which is on the bottom right, and then you need to give it a name, and after that go with the tick again, which is on the bottom right, and your group will be created. After creating your group, you just need to simply go with the bottom message, and here you just need to simply type start@VC music bot, and after that send, and after that you can again go with a message, for example, so you need to type another message, which is /cplay monody. But if it doesn't work, then you can just simply go with the top right, which has that group settings. Go with the top right, and then go with the group settings, and make sure that you've added the admin as the VCS music. Once you've added the admin to VCS music, and after that you need to again go with the same message, which is right here, /cplay monody. Then you can go with the top right, and you can start the video chat. Once you start the video chat, then you will be able to play songs on your Telegram voice chat or your video chat. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.